Hey, I'm John Cannell, and today on Preppy Kitchen, we're making an easy, delicious air fryer turkey breast. So let's get started. First off, grab your turkey breast, and there's two kinds you can get at the store. Bone in and bone out. You want to use bone in for this. It'll have so much more flavor and be really juicy. In addition, if you get frozen turkey breasts, make sure they thaw completely, and you're going to want to unsplit them. They often come together. So just like you would with the spatchcock chicken, you're going to split it and cut it down the middle. Perfect. Lay them flat, and now we're gonna pat them dry with some paper towels. Set these aside, and now we're gonna make an easy, delicious compound butter that is gonna give you so much flavor. Don't forget to wash your hands. You know, so many people love Thanksgiving, but do not like leftovers and have a lot of anxiety about cooking a big bird, or you don't have enough oven space for it. So air fryer turkey breasts are here to rescue you. They are so good. You get all the benefits of delicious turkey. It cooks much more quickly. It is way less prone to drying out, and you don't have to worry about having like turkey for the next 4 days. For this recipe, you want about 2 cloves of garlic, and I should mention that 1, the turkey needs to rest at room temperature for about 30 minutes, and 2, this recipe will make 1 turkey breast. So if you want to double the turkey breast and have 2, you'll just cook them in 2 air fryers or in turns, and you'll double the compounded butter. If you're not a fan of mincing garlic, go ahead and use half a teaspoon of garlic powder. It'll still be delicious and you'll save some time. You do want to give this garlic a good mince so it really diffuses into your butter and coats the whole turkey breast. Set your garlic aside. I also want a teaspoon of minced rosemary, but if you're not a fan, you could use sage or thyme or really any of your favorite herbs, even tarragon. These delicious flavors are going to be held together by 3 tablespoons of butter. If you don't like butter, you can go ahead and use an equal amount of olive oil instead. I'm going to cream the butter just a little bit with the back of a spatula or spoon. I'm going to add half a teaspoon of salt right now into the butter, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and of course our delicious garlic and herbs. By the way, if you like my videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button. There's 2 new recipes every single week. Now, just give it a good mix. If you haven't been exposed to the joys of compound butter, you need to try it out. It makes everything delicious, from steaks to chicken to turkey to fish. When we bake, the flavor is really going to meld into the butter, and butter is the perfect vehicle for giving your mouth flavors. That's why if you're at a restaurant, the chef will begin and finish every dish with butter, and the amount they use will shock you. Today we're using a very conservative amount. It smells so good. I would put this on many different things, including slathering it on some big pieces of French bread, popping that in the oven or the air fryer. Delicious. Back to our turkey. A lot of people make the mistake of just putting flavor on top of the bird. That is not going to soak into the meat. So you want to get a little pocket happening by carefully removing the skin. So loosen the skin. You don't want to lift the skin off completely and make a flap, because when it air fries, the skin will shrink and the turkey will get dry and lose all that delicious butter. So imagine it as a pocket and try not to tear. We're going to use half of our compound butter and spread it underneath the skin right now. The best way to do this is with your hands. So grab the butter under the skin, and we're going to just spread it into a smooth-ish layer. Try and get it all over. If you do rip the skin, or if it comes off completely, don't worry, it'll still be delicious. You can try kind of suturing it back with a toothpick just to hold it in place. It will work though. Do not panic. It doesn't have to stay on completely through the entire air frying. Now grab the rest of your compound butter and we're gonna spread this all over the skin. This is where I wish the channel had smell-o-vision because the smell is so crazy delicious right now. Good. Wash your hands. Now we're gonna add the remaining half teaspoon of salt to sprinkle it over the top. As well as the remaining quarter teaspoon of black pepper. If there are any spices that you want to add on top or seasonings, go ahead. This is your turkey breast. If your air fryer needs to be preheated, set it to 350, preheat it so it's ready to go. Mine doesn't need that, so we're gonna pop our turkey breast right in. But just like with everything air fried, we're gonna be turning our turkey breast intermittently. I'll show you how. Transfer your turkey breast skin side up into your air fryer basket, pop it in, and we're gonna set it to 350 for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open it up. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. We're gonna flip our breast over so it's skin side down now. Close it up, and we're gonna air fry an additional 30 minutes at 350. After 30 minutes, we'll flip one more time so now it's gonna finish the air frying skin side up. Pop that back in and we'll be air frying an additional 20 minutes or until the skin is golden and crispy or until the internal temperature reaches 160 Fahrenheit. Beep. Once your turkey's ready, remove your turkey breast from your air fryer basket. You don't want to let it sit in there because it will dry out. And now you're gonna let it rest for 10 minutes and then you can give it a slice and just like that, it's ready to enjoy. So flavor packed, perfectly moist, and it was easy as can be, no stress. I hope you get a chance to make this delicious recipe, and if you like my videos, check out my air fryer playlist.